How to fix the Zenless Zone 0 stuck into the black screen. So let's get started. So if you are encountering the black background issue in the Zenless 0 error, so here are the some steps to resolve this issue. So the first of all, you have to check your phone space. For that you have to ensure that your phones meet the game system requirement, and then you have to visit the Play Store or the App Store that you are using, and then you have to find the Zenless specifications, and then you have to cross-reference them within to your device settings. After that you have to free up the storage because the Zenless is a large game, so having the sufficient storage is the crucial. And you have to delete the unnecessary apps or the heavy videos to create the more space, and you have to avoid the critical memory levels. And in the last, you have to verify your internet connection, and then you have to restart your device and the Wi-Fi router, and you have to test your Wi-Fi connection. Now the sometimes server strain causes this issue on the release date, and that's how you can fix the Zenless Zone 0 stuck into the black screen. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.